vectors. In the vector portion, I explained the two types of vectors. Now today I am going to explain you the third vectors, that is null vector. Null vectors. What are the null vectors? Null vectors or zero vectors it is also called. It is represented by zero vector. Basic thing in this null vector is empty vector or null vector is what? Zero vector is what? The properties are the main over here. इस प्रॉपर्टी से जे एडवांस वगैरह में भी क्वेश्चन आया है और नीट वगैरह में भी आ सकता है. तो व्हाट आर द थ्री प्रॉपर्टीज जो मैं बता रहा हूं, प्रॉपर्टीज तो और भी हैं बट मैं केवल तीन ही बता देता हूं जिसमें से आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा कॉन्सेप्ट. तो इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई any vector quantity with a null vector, it will become a null vector. Clear? If we add a null vector with any vector, there will be no change in the vector. If we multiply with a scalar, suppose lambda with a null vector, there is no effect in the null vector. Now I am going to take one example. What is the example over here? I am writing if a vector plus b vector is equal a vector minus b vector. ये कंडीशन पॉसिबल कब है? when ये तभी पॉसिबल है when b vector is a null vector. Getting it? If b vector is a null vector, then this will be equal to each other. Otherwise this will not be equal. We will write is unequal. If b vector is a null, then this is correct. Okay, if b vector is not null, then we cannot write a vector plus b vector is equal to a vector minus b vector. This is a very important concept. Getting it? Now I am going to tell you the fourth one. It is a proper vector. What are the proper vectors? Vectors except null vectors are called proper. नल वेक्टर को छोड़ करके जितने भी वेक्टर्स हम पढ़ेंगे वो सारे के सारे वेक्टर्स किस में आ जाते हैं बेटा? प्रॉपर वेक्टर्स में. तो वेक्टर नल को छोड़ दीजिए, बाकी जो भी वेक्टर्स आगे पढ़ेंगे या पहले पढ़ लिए हैं वो सारे के सारे किस में आ जाएंगे? प्रॉपर वेक्टर्स में. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, फिफ्थ, इक्वल वेक्टर्स. If the magnitude and direction of two vectors, if the magnitude and direction of two vectors are same, then vectors are called equal vectors. Suppose vector A and vector B are equal, so we will say that the length of two vectors and the direction of two vectors will be same, or magnitude of two vectors and the direction of two vectors will remain the same. Then we will say the vectors are equal vectors. Next one is opposite vectors or unequal vectors or negative vectors. Opposite, unequal or negative. Suppose opposite vector. Opposite vectors, fifth number. Opposite vectors are those vectors which have a same magnitude but direction is opposite to one another. See, these pair of two vectors are called opposite vectors. So A vector and B vector are equal but in minus. If we are writing in equality, then we will take one in a minus. A and B are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. This is the representation of opposite vector. Now if you are writing like this A vector, this is a B vector, this is the representation, A vector, B vector. If you want to draw the opposite vector of B, so you will draw the same length vector in opposite direction. So this will be negative vector of vector B. And if you want to draw the negative of A, then you will draw over here. So this is the representation by which we may understand the opposite vector of negative vector. Now linear vector. Linear vectors. Vectors lying on the same line. If two or more vectors lie in the same line, then all vector will said to be linear vectors. Getting it? Next is co-initial vector. Co-initial vectors. If vectors are starting from a common point, then all vector will call as a co-initial. If the initial point is common, then we will say the vectors are initial, co-initial. Suppose I am taking over here vector A, vector B, vector C, vector D. If these all vectors are starting from a common point, then we will say it is a co-initial vector A, vector B, vector C, vector D. Now next one is coplanar vectors. Coplanar vectors, vectors lying on the common plane, same whiteboard, this और कोई और भी मैं ड्रॉ कर देता हूँ. कोई भी वेक्टर P, Q, R कोई भी गिवन है इसमें. All vectors are lying this common particular whiteboard are called coplanar vectors. So these are the kinds of the vector which are very important. You have to understand all kinds. I think if you understand it, then we will go ahead for the operation of vectors. So there are three types of operation of vectors. Number one, two vector quantities can be added. So operation will be addition. Second operation is two vector quantity can be subtract. So subtraction of two vectors. And operation number three, product or multiplication. There are three types of operation are happening in the vectors. One is addition, subtraction, product. Addition of two vector or more vector will be the concept. Subtraction of two vectors or more. Product of two vectors. So product are two types. Over here we will understand dot product and cross product. There are two types of product over here, but division is not possible. Why? Because the direction will not possible for division. So that's why division operation will not follow in the vector quantities. All the vector quantities, force, momentum, velocity, acceleration, have these properties: addition, subtraction and product, which will be under